Hey, welcome back to Math with Patrick and Quill. Today is December 6th, and we're solving problem 340 from the Daily Epsilon calendar. And we just need to show why 6 is the smallest perfect number. So a perfect number is a natural number, so let's write out some natural numbers, whose proper divisors sum to the number itself. So just a little definition thing, a proper divisor is going to be a divisor, another natural number or whole number that divides the original number, but just not the original number itself. So these are all divisors, but these numbers are the proper divisors. And we would get a perfect number if the proper divisors sum to our original number. In this case, 10 is not a perfect number because the sum of its proper divisors is only 8. So we just basically need to start at 1 and look upwards until we find our answer, and we're going to find our answer once we hit 6. So 1 has one divisor, it's just 1, but since that is itself, this one doesn't count as a proper divisor. So summing up the proper divisors, we get 0. 2 has two divisors, 2 and 1. Can't pick 2 because it's not a proper divisor. And then the sum of the remaining divisors is 1. And this is going to be the same for our prime numbers in our list because it's just the same pattern here. Prime numbers only have itself and 1 as factors, and then we can't choose itself as a proper divisor. So 1 and 1, these sums do not match 2, 3, and 5. Finally, 4 is going to have 3 different factors or 3 different divisors. They're basically the same thing. 1, 2, and 4. We cannot choose 4 itself. Adding together 1 and 2, we get 3, which is like kind of close to 4, but not 4 exactly. And so finally, once we get to the number 6, we have the divisors 1, 2, 3, and 6. We'll cross off 6 itself. And then finally, summing 1, 2, and 3, we get 6 again. And that's it. So 6 is the smallest perfect number. If you're curious, 28 is going to be the next one. So if you did this process from numbers 7 through 27, you're not going to get a match. And the next match that you would see is 28. Let's just run through it just to see what happens. There's 1 and 28. There's 2 and 14. And then there's finally 4 and 7. Then once we cross off 28, because that's not a proper divisor, we can add these all up. This gives us 8. That gives us 10. This gives us 18. And then finally, altogether, we do get 28, which doesn't matter for today's problem. I just wanted to show you another example. Anyways, 6 is our smallest perfect number. 28 is the next. They kind of grow really quickly. And so I think the next one's like 496, although I wouldn't want to go through all of this process of dividing and adding. That's a little bit silly. Fun fact, no one knows if there are any odd perfect numbers. There might be, but no one knows. So if you find one, let me know. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.